This is the most incredible easy bread recipe in the entire world. Only 6 ingredients. If you don't believe, just watch the video until the end. You only need 6 ingredients for this recipe. Some all-purpose flour, sugar, yeast, salt, olive oil, and warm water. So we add the warm water, the yeast, and the sugar. We're gonna let this sit for a few minutes. We can see that the yeast is alive and living their best lives. So we're now going to add some olive oil. Give this another stir. And I'm going to add the flour and the salt. I'm going to let this raise for about an hour. I baked this for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just removed the pot from the oven and take off the cover, and I'm going to let it sit back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes, and you can lower the heat slightly. So after 10 minutes we should be ready. This step is optional, of course. I'm going to brush it with some coconut oil. I'm just doing this so that the bread is not as crispy or crunchy as it would normally be, but if you like it that way, that's fine. But I'm going to add my coconut oil to this just to add another depth of flavor. If you end up liking the video, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This was my easy bread recipe.